It's the newest member of the Cessna Citation family of business jets, with an all-new cabin, flight deck, and engines. And at the start of the 2023 EBACE show in Geneva, Textron grabbed the early media attention when it announced the new Ascend, unveiling a mock-up of the aircraft for visitors to see for themselves. The order book for the new mid-sized model, which will seat 9 passengers, is now open, with the Ascend priced at $16.7 million. Textron says it aims to have the aircraft certified and in production in 2025.
When you look at the Citation Ascend, it's really in a class of its own. You're going to notice difference from the moment you walk up to the airplane, really with the substantial stairs, enhanced lighting, a beautiful entryway, everything from the galley area, very convenient amenities, all the way through the cabin.
And there's plenty for pilots to appreciate too, with a new flight deck fitted with the Garmin G5000 avionics suite, including an integrated autothrottle. The new technology is intended to reduce workload and improve safety.
The aircraft will control itself once you advance the throttles. It basically is constantly monitoring the aircraft, and it also provides some safety. If you add a depressurization event, the aircraft will descend and level off at a safe altitude. So there's not just the pilot workload, but there's also safety that's built in to the aircraft. In the event that you may have a screen that goes out in the aircraft, the pilots can then merge needed information onto existing screens so that all the information is still readily available for them to navigate the aircraft.
Pratt & Whitney has provided the new PW545D engines that it says will deliver greater fuel efficiency, added thrust, and needs less maintenance as well. Inside the cabin, passengers will have a lot of control over their travel environment, with comfortable seating options as well as low noise.
We have side-facing fold-down couch, we were really first in its class to do that. We also have 15% larger windows in the cabin with lit window rings, so you're really going to get a lot of natural light. The seats not only are completely customizable in terms of any material you want to use, but it's also customizable in terms of comfort. So our customers have the opportunity to select different sorts of foam, whichever they feel is most comfortable for their fit. Additionally, it's got a push-button release, which works extremely well because you just push the button, it electronically releases the seat, then you're able to move the seat wherever you choose. You take your hand off of the seat and it locks in place. We've incorporated sound dampening materials, and it's going to be similar to driving your car down the highway. You're going to get a similar experience inside the cabin of the Ascend. So a lot of focus on the interior and the overall sound, and to make sure it's a very comfortable, relaxing flight.
And with private aviation customers increasingly eager to minimize the environmental impact of their aircraft, Textron says sustainability was high on its to-do list for the new design.
Not only in our manufacturing facilities, and we used wind electricity to operate all of our Kansas-based facilities. We also look at all of the interiors, whether it's veneers, woods, carpets. You feel comfortable about the decisions that you're making. We also use remnants and surplus pieces, so you can get really creative when you take remnant pieces of, let's say, different veneers, and you can make some really beautiful designs also.